Welcome to Food Lovers UK YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy our delicious recipes. Today I am cooking frozen green beans and turning it into a healthy diet meal. Green beans provide many key nutrients. They have a good source of vitamin C, dietary fiber, folate, vitamin K and silicon, which are all needed for healthy bones, skin and hair. You will need frozen green beans, crushed garlic, olive oil and salt. Okay, let's start cooking. Heat the pan and put green beans in it. Make sure you keep the flame in medium heat. Now I am going to add crushed garlic in it and mix it well. Cover the pan with a lid and leave it to 2 to 3 minutes and mix it once or twice in between. I'm going to try a little piece and see if it is cooked enough. Yeah, it's cooked enough now. Make sure it is crunchy, but don't overcook it. Now I am going to turn the flame off and transfer it to another bowl. It should be nice and green. If you're losing the color, you're losing the vitamins and the taste. Leave it to cool for a few minutes. When it's cool, add a pinch of salt and add your olive oil into it. Don't add olive oil when it's hot because you will lose the flavor and nutrients. Extra virgin olive oil is full of monounsaturated fats that are good for heart health. It also contains vitamin E, K and antioxidants. You also can try this frozen beans recipe and let us know how you find it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe as well as sharing it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.